welcome back to New to Me. As you can see, these screws are rusted really bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Dremel and I'm going to cut the top of them off so that I can get the light assembly out, and hopefully I'll be able to get the screws out with the vice grips underneath. So now you could drill these out, but I'm thinking that as bad as these are rusted, I would have a hard time keeping the drill in the center. So I'm going to use a Dremel tool. Here we go. Okay, so my cutoff disc just broke, so I'll put a new one on and I'll get right back to you. I'm back. I have a new Dremel cutoff wheel, so we're gonna start all over again. Here we go. Well, I lost the cutoff wheel again, so I'll put a new one on. And the reason why these break so easily is I'm using a really thin cutoff tool. So I'll change it and we'll be right back. Okay, I have a new cutoff tool or a disc, and well, here we go. Man, I keep snapping these discs off. I don't know if that's because maybe I'm just forcing it a little bit too much. So I'm going to change another one. All right. So I've got the disc changed, and here we go again. There we go. Another disc. Holy mackerel. I hope I have enough discs to get the other one off. Not doing very good. Anyway, gosh, this has got to be really getting close. So, I'll be right back. Okay. We're back with a new disc. I really didn't think it was going to be this difficult. Here we go. Okay, I have the one screw head off. Now we're going to work on the other. Okay, we did lose a disc, although we did get further than the norm. Well, we have been getting anyway. So I'll be right back. Thanks for coming back to New to Me. I hope that I can get this cut off because I only got 3 more discs left. Okay, I lost another disc, but I've got to be really getting close. I'm going to put you on hold and see if I can get a screwdriver and help me get this off of here. All right, holding. All right, let's see if we have any luck. Now, I do have another light, so if this one gets destroyed, it'll be okay. And it very well may. As you can see, there's lots of caulking around here. All right, so keep your fingers crossed. So there is the stud sticking out on one of them. Let's see if I can get the vice grips on them. All right, looks like that one's coming out. All right, let's see if we can get lucky on the other one. Looks like that one's coming out too. All right. So I did have to sacrifice the lens, but as you can see, I need to clean it all up and check the light, make sure it didn't even have a bulb in it. So I'm hoping there's no issues there. But anyway, I just thought I'd put that in a new to me, because you might run into this situation too. All right, thanks for coming. And hey, if you think about it, subscribe. I just keep working on this old RV, you know, and one little project at a time. Thanks for stopping by. Take care. Okay, I wanted to show you the final outcome of me having to drill them out and putting in a whole new thing on there. So anyway, now for work, there's one left over there that needs to be done. I don't know if I'll do that today, but I've got 4 out of the 5 done, and it came out pretty good. Hopefully these won't be rusted. But you know, when a screw rusts, that means there was water. So hey, it was probably a good thing that I fixed it. Thanks for coming to New to Me, and hope you enjoyed the video. And hey, if you think about it, subscribe. There's lots more coming. All right, thanks.